Today's top Pakistan current affairs, the 1st of July 2021, with download link available in PDF. These are the latest breaking news about Pakistan which will be helpful for aspirants in test preparation of current affairs, Pakistan affairs, general knowledge for NTS, PPSC, CSS, and other government jobs, exams and MDCAT, ECAT entry test preparation. Let's get started. 1. 5 soldiers martyred, 5 others injured in 2 attacks. WAZIRISTAN, 5 soldiers were martyred and another 5 sustained injuries in 2 attacks late on Tuesday night. One of the attacks was carried out by terrorists based in Afghanistan. 2. TikTok responds to the suspension of its app in Pakistan. Karachi, TikTok has responded to the Sindh High Court's SHC order suspending the app across Pakistan on Thursday, saying that it is working with authorities. 3. COVID-19 national tally of active cases below 32,000 for the second consecutive day. Islamabad, the national tally on Thursday of total active COVID-19 cases was recorded 31,767 with 1,037 more people tested positive for the deadly virus and 836 people recovered from the disease during the last 24 hours. 4. Pakistan rejects irresponsible claims of drone attack. In India-held Kashmir, in a statement, Foreign Office accuses the Indian Minister of stoking a smear campaign against Pakistan. 5. The Maldives to lift the ban on travel from South Asia on July 15. The Maldives is to reopen borders to travelers from South Asia next month. President Ibrahim Mohammed Solih announced this at a press conference held on Tuesday, as well as further eases to COVID-19 restrictions including reduced curfew hours. While the president said that they plan to reopen borders for travelers from South Asian countries in July. 6. CPEC Joint Working Group, on cards, Asad Umar. Islamabad, Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives Asad Umar Thursday said that a new Joint Working Group for Information Technology was being established under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, framework. 7. The bank guard who killed the manager for blasphemy gets the death penalty. Lahore, an anti-terrorism court in Sargodha has issued a death sentence to a former security guard who last year shot and killed his bank's manager after accusing him of blasphemy. 8. The emergence of a new Imran Khan. PM Imran Khan talks about scope of shelter homes initiative. The lower house saw a different Imran Khan as a prime minister when he stood to speak to the National Assembly on Wednesday. It is not the length of his speech that made him a different PM but the content of the speech and the accompanying manners. Though it was the follow-up of the budget. 9. The new law gives the Punjab Assembly powers to arrest journalists, bureaucrats, lawmakers. Provincial Assembly of the Punjab Privileges Amendment Act 2021 tabled by PPMPA, passed by the majority. 10. Rupee rises 10 rupees and 51 paise against the US dollar. Karachi, the rupee appreciated 10 rupees and 51 paise against the United States dollar in the currency market in the fiscal year. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.